this is me Laneha Chansu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Innisfree's Coffee Lip Scrub from their Anthracite collaboration. So basically it is an upcycling product containing coffee ingredients recycled from coffee grounds that are easily discarded as a result of high coffee consumption. The product claims that with the help of eco-friendly upcycled coffee grounds which are enriched with coffee oil and powder, gently massage scrub over lips to remove dead skin cells, leaving it moisturized, dewy and supple. The packaging is a little coffee colored tub. The moment I opened this little jar, I could not smell the coffee until I was up close with the product. The scrub is like a jelly or Vaseline with coffee beads in it. It feels really moisturizing to touch. So here are my lips that are pretty small and very dry. Now I am going to use it on my lips. It feels like Vaseline with scrub beads in it that are not harsh and scrub lips gently. I can smell the coffee now. It feels moisturizing at the same time. This is my life's very first lip scrub and I'm enjoying how it feels on my lips. These little beads are scrubbing the dry parts of my lips pretty fine. Since this is my first lip scrub, I'm not sure it is the best, but I'm thoroughly enjoying this one. Now that's how my lips look after scrubbing. I am taking dry tissue to remove the remains of the coffee scrub and later on I washed it with water. So after scrubbing, my lips look little plump than before. Of course, scrubbing helps a little in lips plumping. If accidentally the scrub goes in your mouth during scrubbing, it does not taste bad. My lips did not dry after scrubbing for days. I will rate it 5 by 5 and will definitely repurchase it because I have pretty dry lips. My lips feel soft too. Do give this a try. This is me Laneha Chansu signing off. Bye.